This is the Lexington. I am walking into this. This door takes you to your hall closet. Of course, that takes you upstairs. This door takes you to your garage. Tankless water heater. To the kitchen. I love this plan for the amount of kitchen's countertop space you get. This is a beautiful amount of space for your dining table. Of course, you have an eat-in kitchen, and that's your living room. Now we're going to go upstairs. Notice the oak railings. Come up here to the top. This is your first bedroom. Nice little loft area back here too to make a great little office, reading room, that type of thing. Got some lights. Laundry room. Double vanity bath. This is secondary bathroom. So that's your two bedrooms, and then we'll go into the the bathroom and the two bedroom. Here's the other bedroom. Closet.